Hi there, this is Atik from RS Design Academy. I hope you are fantastic day. In this video, I go to share with you high level skin retouching. So, let's start. First, I am starting the Photoshop. This is the photo. This one I retouching. Okay. First I have to remove the blemishes. Okay, how I do this? Just follow me. First I am selecting the paste tool. Okay, just select the spot area and drag the good area and release the mouse point. You see, here is the remove the blemishes. Okay, I am doing another one. This one, just drag and release the mouse point here. Okay, I am just taken time and do this job carefully. Okay friend, I removed the all her face. Now I am copy the layer. Just select this background layer and drag and drop here. Okay, this layer is copied. Remove this layer. Remove blemishes. And I am copy this another one. This layer I rename skin soft. Yes. Okay. First I select this layer skin soft. Just I select this layer skin soft and so I convert to smart object and change the color mode. Here is the vivid light. Okay, now I am reverse the color mode. Selecting the Control I. Okay, after inverting I am go the filter and go the other. After this select the high pass and gradually increase the radius. Okay, I am doing this. Here is, I think there is okay 87. No. I think there is okay 95. Okay, then again go the filter and blur. Just select the Gaussian blur. and gradually increase the radius. Okay, I think this one okay. You see the texture? Okay. I'm selecting okay. Then I'm masking the layer. I'm masking this layer, skin soft. This is the masking icon. I'm masking. Already mask. I invert the mask. Control and I. Okay. Already invert the mask. After invert the mask, just to select the brush tool. Remember, here is the foreground color is white. Remember, the foreground color is white. After opacity 100% and okay. Now I'm painting here slowly. Okay, here you see the result. Okay. Okay, friend. Okay, this one is, you see how soft the skin. Also, you see the texture. Okay, this one is previous one. After the skin soft, this one. You see the result. Okay. Okay, friends, if you learn anything from my video, just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.